G readings, everybody. We're taking a look at page 264 in our math text. We're talking about polynomials. In this case, we are kind of like combining like terms is really what this is all about. But the first thing I would do with this particular problem is deal with that minus sign. So 8r squared plus 5r plus 14. And I would actually distribute that minus sign just as if there was a little 1 hiding there. And he was like some sort of hobbit wearing a ring. So I would have minus 7r squared minus 6r minus 8. And now I can go through and combine like terms. Now like terms have to have the same variable and the same exponents. So r squared, does r squared have any friends? I think it's friends with this negative 7r squared. Oh man, it's a negative 7, but let's see, so what do those combine to be? 8 minus 7 is 1. I'm left with 1r squared, right? Like 8 apple pies minus 7 apple pies is 1 apple pie, right? They're still apple pies, though, so the exponents remained unchanged, as well as the variable. Let's see, as far as the 5r, does he have any friends? Negative 6r. So let's see, 5 minus 6 is negative 1, and there's still r's. So you could write those 1s there if you wanted, but we'd rather let them turn invisible. Bloop, 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 right? And then how about our constant terms? I've got 14 and negative 8. Those are like terms. So 14 minus 8 is positive 6. And voila, there we go. And one of the things we do with polynomials is we write them in what's called standard form, where you go from highest exponent to lowest exponent, right? So 2, 1, r to the 0, right? So highest to lowest. That's what we do. So let's take a look at this next problem. So the directions for this problem said find the perimeter, right? And you might remember that the perimeter of a square is 4 times the side length. You also maybe would have done it, perimeter is s plus s plus s plus s, right? Maybe you did it that way, I don't know. But whichever way you did it, they gave us 1 side length. Apparently those are measured in feet. So the perimeter is equal to 4 times 7m minus 3n, right? Distributing. What was the error, Mr. Hank? Because I'm using this version. Or you could have rewritten this 4 times and added it to itself. But repeated addition is the same as multiplication. Am I right? I think I'm right. So, man, bam. 2 quick little homework questions done out for our internet friends so they can learn forever. Until maybe some sort of like apocalypse happens and the internet gets knocked out. And then like they're living in caves. But maybe what I'm doing is secretly after I teach my lessons to you guys in the afternoon, I hike out into the mountains and I have like a cave out in a haystack. And I like scribble all my math on the walls so that someday society will find it and they'll be able to relearn all the mathematics. It'll be great. Maybe.
Trip to your cave?
I don't know. Bye-bye, internet friends.